Today, I am going to be trying the Bounce Curl Curly Trial and Travel Kits. You get 4 trial size products. They came in this cute little like mini tote bag, I guess. All of the trial size products are 2 ounces. You get the Bounce Curl Gentle Clarifying Shampoo, the Ayurvedic Deep Conditioner, the Avocado and Rose Oil Clump and Define Cream, and the infamous Light Hold Cream Gel. So I'm going to be trying all 4 of these products in this video. I'm going to be trying both the stylers, the gel and the cream by themselves, and then we're gonna see which one worked the best in my hair. So I'm starting off with 1 week old hair. I was recently sick, so I could not take care of my hair at all. I have so much product buildup in my hair. I definitely need to clarify. So today I'm going to be trying the Bounce Curl Gentle Clarifying Shampoo. So I started off by just getting my hair wet, making sure that every single strand is wet. Then I went in with the Bounce Curl Gentle Clarifying Shampoo. This says it's a light moisture cleanser and it's infused with pumpkin and pomegranate enzymes. It comes in like a bottle that has a nozzle in it. So you're just supposed to literally like squeeze the nozzle and squeeze this product directly onto your scalp. You can section your hair if you need to. Obviously, I don't need to. I have fine thin hair, and then I just use my fingers to rub that through my scalp. This clarifying shampoo is supposed to gently remove buildup from oils and stylers without stripping your natural oils. So apparently the pomegranate and pumpkin enzymes is what is reviving the scalp. As I was rubbing this into my scalp, I literally could not feel any suds. I was like, is this a no poo? Like, where's the suds? And then I realized like, maybe my hair is really dirty. Like, I know I have put a lot of product over the past 7+ days. Every single day when I refresh, I add a little bit more product. So I could even feel it. I went ahead and added some water at this point, and then you could see when I added that water, it lathered immediately. So that's always a little hack. If you find your shampoo is not lathering or your conditioner is not conditioning, sometimes you just need a little bit more water. So I feel like the water really did activate the products. So as I rinsed this out of my hair, I was so shocked, you guys, because this is literally the most moisturizing, clarifying shampoo that I have ever used. It's a little bit unexpected because, you know, when you clarify your hair, you kind of just expect that dry feeling or a little bit stripped. This does not leave your hair feeling dry or stripped at all. Like, it literally leaves your hair feeling moisturized. So this is how my hair looked after the first shampoo. Then I went in again because this is such a gentle clarifying shampoo that it's not going to hurt. You can even use this regularly and it won't like strip your hair or anything like that. But you can see like the second time when I squeezed it on my scalp and when I massaged my hair, like it literally lathered so fast. And that's how I knew like, okay, my hair is clean now. Now I went ahead and rinsed this out, and once again, I felt a lot of moisture going into my hair. Next, I went in with the Bounce Curl Ayurvedic Deep Conditioner. So whenever you do a clarifying treatment, you always want to deep condition. The consistency is, it's a thickie. It is a thick like conditioner, as you can see. As far as the scent of this, it has a very exotic scent. That's probably the best word to describe all of these products. So this deep conditioner is a little bit interesting because it has a lot of herbs, extracts, and oils from India, including amla oil, brinjal, and shikaki. So yeah, this is supposed to really just nourish your hair and leave it soft, lustrous, and be weightless. So of course that caught my attention because I mean, I don't think I've ever used a deep conditioner that wasn't heavy. You know what I mean? That's kind of like the purpose of a deep conditioner. We'll see how that works out. So this deep conditioner actually has baobab, sunflower oil, jojoba esters, inositol, bringraj powder, shikaki nut powder, amla, and saffron extracts. Inositol is very interesting. It's a supplement that I actually just recently learned about. It's good for a lot of women. Anyways, won't get into that. And then I'm going to use the Bounce Curl Detangling brush. It has a very flexible head and the bristles as well are flexible. And I use this to distribute that deep conditioner all throughout my hair. This brush is amazing. Like, it just detangles your hair so fast. It's so easy. Like, Marianne, the owner of Bounce Curl, she knows how to make brushes. That's like her specialty. Anyways, I left that in my hair for about 5 minutes, and then when I rinsed it out, oh my God, you guys, like liquid silk. My hair literally felt like silk. It was like so freaking soft. And actually, by the time I finished rinsing it out, my hair just felt so good. It definitely is lightweight. I couldn't believe it, but it's true. It's a lightweight deep conditioner. So yeah, I think this would be perfect for people that have fine and thin hair. I just got out of the shower. I did my makeup, so I already know that my hair is about to be super dry right now. Let's finish this hair. Whew. Okay, wow. Whew. So this is how my hair is looking after the clarifying treatment and after the deep conditioner. First of all, I'm a little bit shocked because I have a lot of volume. Depending on the products, you guys, like when I take the towel off of my head, sometimes my hair will be like this. And I already know, like, dang, my hair is way down. But look at all this volume already. My hair feels really, really good. Like my hair feels soft and it definitely feels moisturized. I really like that. I like that deep conditioner. I'm gonna use my Bounce Curl Water Mister. This one has a cute logo on the front of it. See? Has the Bounce Curl logo. It has a very like fine spray, like almost like a Febreze bottle. That's what it sprays like. Okay, I'm gonna use the Bounce Curl Detangling brush. I'm just kind of doing this to make sure that all of my hair is like evenly wet. I'm not gonna use the Bounce Curl Define brush in this video just because I want to see how the product works by itself. I finally just went ahead and bought a parting comb. I got this from Ulta. I literally bought this because it's white and it matches the aesthetic of my home because my home and especially my bathroom is like pure white. So there, it's like a rat tail comb and then a parting comb right here. I'm gonna make my part where my bangs are on the side of my head, just like that over. And then let's just comb my bangs over a little bit. Why did that like part, look at the part that it made. That's ugly. I've never used like a rat tail comb before. Am I not doing this properly? Like okay, there we go. That's much cleaner. Look at that. Okay, so I'm going to be using the Bounce Curl Avocado and Rose Clump and Define Cream. It does say that it's a medium moisture cream with light hold. All right, like a creamy consistency. I'm actually going to do that in both parts of my hair. Just run it through like that. I think that's all that I need. I don't think I should add any more. I could feel the cream in there. I think that's enough. All right, let me scrunch. Literally, there's no sound at all. My hair is like dried so fast. Let's diffuse and see how this works out. Okay, I think my hair is dry for the most part. Let's see what it's looking like. All right, hello volume, first of all. I didn't even do anything yet, but look at all of this volume that I have. I have no cast in my hair. This is the first time actually that a product has left no cast in my hair because I'm one of those people, like for some reason, like I get a cast from everything, literally everything, but I have absolutely no cast in my hair. What are my first impressions? My first impressions, first of all, my hair feels so freaking soft. It feels very soft and very moisturized. However, I probably could have used a little bit more cream just because my hair is like a little bit frizzy in the crown area, which is my fault. I should have used more cream. Let me see if I could separate some of these bangs a little bit. All right, I really like it. Love these results. Let me show you guys how it looks from the back. So yeah, these are the results of the Bounce Curl Avocado and Rose Oil Plump and Define Cream on my hair. I think it looks really, really good. I like it, especially I love the volume. I think now we need to test out this light hold cream gel and let's see what this is going to do in my hair. I suspect that I'm not gonna have as much volume as I do with this cream, but I'll have more definition. But let's see. Okay, so I'm back another day. Yes, I'm wearing the same shirt. Okay, so I'm back with freshly washed hair and I'm actually going to be trying the Bounce Curl Light Hold Cream Gel. And yeah, I kind of really like am contemplating if I want to use the Bounce Curl Moisture Balance Leave-In Conditioner. It says it's a treatment and primer just because I don't like to use gels by itself on my hair because my hair is dry and a little bit damaged. So I definitely always need like a leave-in first. So this says it's medium moisture and it's supposed to just like prime your hair before you add the styling product. So this is not a styling product, okay? I'm not gonna use that much. See? Ah, smells so good. I love all of these Bounce Curl products. Like they smell amazing. Okay, I'm not gonna use that much because yeah, it's concentrated. I could tell just from looking at it that it's very concentrated and a little goes a long way. Oh yeah, it feels really, really good in my hair though. So this leave-in conditioner has rose oil and fenugreek in it and it smells amazing, guys. All of these Bounce Curl products smell so good, seriously. I think this is like my most favorite smelling hairline. Okay, there we go. My hair feels nice and moisturized. Now I'm gonna go in with the Bounce Curl Light Hold Cream Gel. This has aloe and the Nigella sativa, which is black seed. It says distribute gel through extremely wet hair. Well, my hair is not extremely wet, but we're still gonna do it. So this is what it looks like. This is the infamous product. I think this is actually like the first product that ever went viral that she had. Oh, it's a very Oh, you know what? I really like this consistency. It's almost like a serum consistency. It's not really like a thick gel. Wow. Oh man, this actually smells pretty strong. Peaches? I don't know, what is it? What am I smelling? Okay, put this in my hair. And I definitely do feel like it's lightweight. I put all of that in half of my hair. I feel like I need more. Yeah, I definitely need more. Oh, oh my god. I caught it. What is this scent? I don't know. It just says natural fragrance. All right. Well, let's diffuse this and let's see the results that we get. Okay guys, so I am finished diffusing and first things first, I do have a little bit of a cast. Like literally just like the name says, light hold. That's what I feel. I feel a very light cast in my hair. Let's scrunch this out and let's see what my curls are gonna look like. I'm gonna using the Bounce Curl Light Oil. This is like the cutest oil ever. It literally has flower petals suspended throughout. And yeah, I like it. You can use this on your hair. You can use it on your skin. I like to like rub it onto my hands when I'm finished. But yeah, I'm just gonna use a little bit of this on my hands just so that I can break this cast. Go ahead and break. And when I break the cast, like I can feel moisture on the inside, which is typical for me. So yeah, my hair will need to dry a little bit after this so you can see the full effect, you know what I mean? Now, let's see the comparison of the gel versus the cream definer. So you guys let me know what you think, but I don't know, I feel like it kind of equally defined my hair. I probably didn't use enough of the Clump and Define cream, so I can't just rule out and say that the gel gives more definition. In terms of volume, the cream definer definitely gave me a lot more volume, and I would say in terms of like clumpage, they clumped the same. Both of them gave me pillow soft fluffy curls, so yeah, I got a similar result in that. But if you were to ask me what do I prefer, I'm going to have to say I prefer the avocado and rose oil Clump and Define cream. Now, I did try the gel by itself without the leave-in, and it definitely left my hair feeling dry. So I was not a fan of the gel by itself. And this is why I always put a leave-in before gel. I'm not one of those people that can get away with using gel only because my hair is not healthy yet. So yeah, that's usually why I gravitate towards cream definers and stuff like that. Overall, I did like all of the products that I tried. In general, the scent of all of the products is so good. Most of the products are natural scents. The stylers are man-made, but no scent is very strong. So it's not like, in my opinion, nothing is offensive. So yeah, that was it for this Bounce Curl video. I have the defining butter, the hairspray, and a couple other things to try, but you will see those in future videos. I didn't want to make this super long. So yeah, you guys let me know which results you like best of my hair. And that's it for this video. I'll see you guys later. Bye!